Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the wonderful world of healthy eating and share 10 fantastic tips for a well-balanced diet. Get ready to nourish your body and boost your overall well-being. Let's jump right in. 1. Start your day with a nutrient-packed breakfast. Rise and shine. Begin your day with a breakfast that fuels you up. Opt for whole grains, fruits, and proteins to kickstart your metabolism and keep you energized throughout the day. 2. Fill half your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. When it comes to eating your greens and other vibrant hues, more is definitely merrier. Aim to fill at least half of your plate with a variety of fruits and vegetables, as they are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 3. Embrace the power of whole grains. Swap refined grains for their whole grain counterparts. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread are rich in fiber, nutrients, and are more filling, helping you stay satisfied for longer. 4. Protein-packed meals for sustained energy. Include a good source of protein in each meal, such as lean meats, fish, beans, or tofu. Protein helps repair tissues, supports muscle growth, and keeps you feeling satiated. 5. Say yes to healthy fats. Not all fats are bad. Incorporate healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are beneficial for heart health, brain function, and even help absorb certain nutrients. 6. Hydration, the elixir of life. Don't forget to drink enough water throughout the day. Staying hydrated improves digestion, helps regulate body temperature, and keeps your skin glowing. Carry a water bottle with you as a friendly reminder. 7. Mindful eating, savor the flavors. Slow down and enjoy your meals. Engage your senses, appreciate the flavors, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. This practice can prevent overeating and promote a healthier relationship with food. 8. Portion control, quality over quantity. It's not just what you eat but how much you eat. Practice portion control by using smaller plates, listening to your body's signals, and focusing on the quality of your food choices rather than mindless snacking. 9. Smart snacking. Choose nutrient-rich options. Snacking can be a part of a healthy diet. Opt for nutrient-dense snacks like fresh fruits, yogurt, or raw nuts. Ditch the processed snacks and aim for whole food alternatives. 10. Find joy in cooking and experimenting. Healthy eating can be exciting. Explore new recipes, experiment with flavors, and have fun in the kitchen. Get creative with healthy ingredients and make your meals a delightful experience. And there you have it, our top 10 healthy eating tips. Remember, nourishing your body with a well-balanced diet is a journey, so be patient with yourself. Start implementing these tips gradually, and watch your overall well-being flourish. Stay tuned for more nutrition tips, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay healthy, stay happy.